Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as per our last tutorial, we saw how to create or how to set up the free GCP account, which gives you $300 of credit for practicing on Google Cloud Platform. So I hope you must have created your free account and basically you have created your payment profile as well. And after that, if you can see that you will also get this kind of a message here that it is generally a 90 days account. So since I have created this particular account yesterday, this is what I can see, like it is 89 days and these many credits are remaining. This is in pounds. Okay, so basically in this particular tutorial we are going to take a look at the console of GCP, how the console looks like, where are all the services that are being placed, and how we can get started on couple of things which will enable us to start learning the Google Cloud Platform. So first of all, if you want to disable this particular message of how many credits are remaining, how many days are remaining, you just click on this dismiss part so that it won't show you again. And let's try to see how the dashboard looks like. So whenever you log into cloud.google.com, right, and you give your credentials, you set up your payment profile, this is the page that a GCP will land you in, and this page is known as the GCP console, right? So as you can see, this is the URL console.cloud.google.com, and this is the dashboard of your project. So basically the GCP, the entire GCP hierarchy starts with creating a project. So when you set up your account, there is one sample project that gets automatically created for you, and generally the name of that project is my first project, and this is the ID of that particular project. This particular ID is also auto generated, and you can basically if you want to create one more new project, you can create, you can click here and then name whatever project name that you want to give, and then the uh, id also gets created for you. Okay, let's give it a try. So I have just clicked on the uh, create new project. So I'll just name it as, let's say, GCP dev. Okay, uh, creating the organization is not something which is compulsory or mandatory, so I'm gonna skip that, and I'll just give the project name as GCP dev, and I'll just click on create. Okay, so it will take couple of minutes just to create this particular project. And if you see, it has displayed a message as created this project GCP dev, and let's see if how we can see it here. So here if you see the first by default project that a GCP has created for us, Google has created for us, which is my first project, and this is the ID of that project, and this is the newly created project that we have created, and we have named it as GCP-dev, and this ID is automatically generated by the Google itself, right? That the Google platform itself, that this is the ID using which this project will be referred. Okay, so if you want to work on this particular project, you can just click on that, so that in this particular list box you will be able to see the project that you have selected, and whatever GCP specific activities that you do. Like for example, let's say you started creating some kind of buckets, you started creating some kind of database instances, you started creating some kind of services like data flow, data proc. So the all those services will be created in this particular project. Okay, so this is kind of a starting of utilizing various resources that are present as a part of your GCP project, right? And then apart from that, there are some quick links that are being displayed here. If you wanted to just access some kind of APIs and services, that are present within the Google Cloud platform. You can just quickly access here. IAM roles, this is kind of administrative part, and we will see what is IAM roles and what all things can happen using IAM roles in down the line. But for now, like, this is just a quick link. Then cloud storage is kind of a file system, or if you wanted to uh, store some kind of files, audio clips, video images, whatever kind of file format it is, you can store those on the cloud storage. BigQuery is again one of the database, and we are going to see this particular topic also in detail in the subsequent tutorials. But long story short, these are some of the kind of quick links. If you want to just access your resources quickly, then you can just access from this particular stuff. Mainly, if we wanted to see all the services, or there are near about 200 plus services that are present, or that are given by the Google Cloud platform. And if you just click on these three horizontal lines, right, navigation menu, so it will display you all the products and services that GCP gives us as a part of this account that we have created. So all the APIs and services, IAM, this is something which we have seen, and there are subsequent uh, sub you know services or components also that are available. Then compute engine is also one of the core services that we are going to see. Kubernetes, cloud storage, BigQuery, cloud run, SQL. There are lots of services actually, and we are going to see all these services in detail in our subsequent tutorials. But this is what I just wanted to discuss with you, that how we can create the project, and what is this particular console looks like, what are the elements that are present on the console. So all these things are displayed here. Like whatever project that you have selected, you'll be able to see which project we are working upon on this particular place. Then what is the project number, then what is the project ID. This project ID is pretty much info important stuff. And then rest of the stuff that we have just discussed. Okay, so thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. There are some more interesting topics that I'm gonna add to this particular series, and these are some of the introductory topics. We are just discussing that how to create our account, how to create a project, how to navigate through the console which is currently in front of you. So kind of a very basic stuff, but very important. And before even learning the individual services, we should know this particular basic stuff, so that it will come handy whenever we'll try to learn something. Okay, so thank you again, thanks for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.